Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, I am Angel Chanel. In today's video, I'm not going to be doing too much talking. This is going to be more of a visual video. However, today I am going to be showing you guys an install that I am doing. It's really a sew-in, a lace frontal sew-in, and this is with platinum blonde hair that I sell with my company. As you guys know, I have Glow Queen collections, but lately we have been in a rebranding period, so I'll talk to you guys about all of that in another upcoming video. But like I said, we got 613 hair that I sell along with the frontal and 3 bundles, and I did a custom color. This is for my client. This was a birthday install, and then I later turned this same exact hair into a wig unit because she just loved it so much. She wanted to keep the hair and have it as a wig. You see right there, she's just blow drying the hair because it was still a little wet from when I had washed and colored it. But I'm gonna stop talking and enjoy this video, guys. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, hit that ring bell button too while you at it. Enjoy. If you all would like to see exactly how I colored this hair and got it from the dark blue down to the light blue and what colors I used, go ahead and watch my previous video and you guys will see just that. I call her Blue Sensation. So go ahead and watch that video. Now right here, I know you guys can't see, but I'm just actually positioning the frontal as to where I'll be sewing it down. And as you can see, I'm just going ahead and I'm first sewing that back part down, and then I'll be going ahead with my bold hold lace glue, and I'll be doing 3 layers of glue. I believe I did 3 layers, and I'll be laying that lace. I actually have to correct myself. I thought I did use the bold hold, but I forgot that it was kind of hot, y'all. This was like in July, so we just did the freeze spray in order to hold down the frontal, because yeah, my client, she didn't keep her hair up long at all. So since I knew I was turning it into a wig, I just went on ahead and used the freeze spray for the actual sew-in install. Okay, so I just want to say that before doing this install, I did not bleach the knots. I actually didn't bleach the knots on this frontal until I turned it into a wig unit for my client. But what I did to manipulate that, because as you can see, that lace is extremely bright, like it's a lot lighter than her skin tone. So what I did to just manipulate is I went over it with a little bit of liquid and powder foundation to give her the simulation of the scalp, which you all will see in the picture at the end. Well, you won't see the makeup, but you'll see what I did to actually make it blend and make it look real. You'll see. Just keep watching. Alright, for the rest of the install, I did do a time-lapse video on my phone. I don't know, I think I was gonna do a TikTok or something, but yeah. Oh no, my computer died. That's what it was. Sorry guys, I did this install a few months ago and I'm just now getting the video to you guys. But yeah, I just did a time-lapse video, and here you can see the bomb install, y'all. Like, so cute, so cute, so cute. Custom color and install by your girl Angel Chanel. So if you guys would like to get a custom wig or a custom install, anything, go ahead and follow my page right there at I Am Angel Chanel, Wigs by Angel Chanel, and just hit me an inbox, a DM in my inbox. Alright, thank you guys for watching.
Swing it. Okay, spin around, spin around, spin around. Yeah, spin around.